Hello friends, today we will examine in detail the remarkable SUV model of BYD, the BYD Tang, from China's rising brand. This vehicle, which has made a name for itself in the electric SUV market, is a really strong option for families with its performance and seven-seater structure. Let's start with the design first. BYD Tang has a very muscular and modern appearance. Sharp LED headlights and a wide grille welcome us at the front. When you look at the side profile, sporty lines and large rims attract attention. Strip LED stoplights extending from end to end at the rear also add a premium air to the vehicle. In short, this vehicle is not only electric, it is also eye-catching. So what awaits us in the interior? You feel the sense of quality the moment you step inside. The 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, digital instrument panel, and high-quality materials are truly impressive. Nappa leather seats, ambient lighting, and panoramic glass roof make the interior more spacious. And one of the most important points, BYD Tang is a seven-seater SUV. In other words, it is ideal for large families. The rear seats can be folded, and you can create a large luggage area or a third-row passenger area. Now, let's get to the performance part. Tang comes with a dual-motor and four-wheel drive system. It produces a total of 517 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Yes, this is a family SUV, but it is also a performance machine. It sits well on the road, the driving balance is successful, and you feel the power of electric torque at all times. What about range and charging? BYD's own blade battery technology is also used in this vehicle. This battery is not only durable, but also safe and long-lasting. According to WLTP data, the range is approximately 400 to 500 kilometers. Thanks to the 110 kilowatt DC fast charging support, it can be charged from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes. There is also 11 kilowatt AC charging support. BYD Tang is also quite ambitious in terms of safety. This vehicle has many advanced driving support systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane tracking assistant, 360-degree camera system, blind spot warning. Moreover, thanks to the V2L feature, you can transfer energy to the outside by using your vehicle as an electrical source. Running an electric stove while camping? Now, it is possible. When we look at its competitors, BYD Tang is especially up against models such as Tesla Model Y, Kia EV6, Volkswagen ID.6, and Hyundai Ioniq 7. But I can easily say this: Tang stands out from its competitors with both its equipment level and its seven-seater structure. Moreover, its price-performance ratio is quite balanced. As a result, BYD Tang is not only an electric SUV, but also a comfortable, powerful, and technological companion for large families. If you are looking for both a large volume and a strong electric performance, Tang should definitely be on your list. What do you think? I am waiting for your opinions in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Stay tuned for more electric vehicle reviews.